Hi, welcome to the Getting to Know GIS series. This series of short videos is intended to enlighten viewers and then to increase knowledge on geospatial issues. My name is Anthony Kwabena Safo, and I have a background in planning from Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, with the most recent one being the Master of Philosophy in Planning. I looked at how geospatial technologies can be incorporated in land use planning practices in Ghana and how they can be made sustainable. For related experiences to put these together, I have proficiency in drone piloting, maneuvering, and photogrammetry from the University of Mines and Technology in Ghana. Again, from the Geomatic Department of Care University, I have built capacity in image acquisition and processing. From the University of California, I have technical, theoretical, and practical experience in environmental and geospatial analysis. Last but not least, I am a certified cartographer from the Environmental Systems Research Institute, ESRI. Through short videos, this channel is endeavoring in giving out tutorials on GIS from scratch. It gives a step-by-step method to understanding GIS and its application. Through videos, you look at how GIS can be applied in diverse fields, remote sensing issues, you look at photogrammetry, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and unmanned aerial vehicles, how to fly drones, how to use drones to take spatial information, among others. For data and software, most of the data that we are going to use for these tutorials, this Getting to Know GIS series, is unknown data. Most of them will come from Ghana, but then the entire outlook or the theories and idea behind it will be an international understanding in that regard. And then local examples will be cited so that viewers can familiarize themselves with the issues that we are talking about and considering as part of these tutorials. With the softwares intended to be used in this tutorial, we are looking at ArcGIS with various components, QGIS, EDAS Imagine, Agisoft Metaship, AutoCAD, MapMaker, among others, Google Earth Engine, Google Earth Pro, among various other softwares. As time goes on, we look at how best you can use those softwares to solve real-time spatial problems and be able to use the softwares to give support decision making. You use other softwares as well to be able to understand and solve real-time spatial problems and how the softwares can help us as a decision supporting tools in that regard. You can send us information through email, and then you can tweet at us, you can send us Facebook messages through the various accounts given, and you can give us a call as well. Thanks for joining and stay tuned for the other videos. Thank you.